Alright, I know you guys are really fiending for some progress, so I'll just show you me cutting off the screw and trying to clean up some of these body panels a little bit. This thing is rusted on, I have to cut it off. Ooh, that's getting hot. And it's still kind of smoking, it's pretty hot, but that's what the gloves are for. Yeah, that little washer in there really messed me up. Now I can start cleaning this bumper. And in order to clean this up, I'm going to have to take all the paint off because I don't want that getting off into my mold, because that could kind of muddy the mold a little bit, I'm guessing. Yeah, I mangled that up a little bit, but it's still structurally intact. And it melted down, it countersunk by melting because of the heat from the Dremel. These two things right here are the only things I'm worried about during the mold making process, about getting the mold to release off of these, because the fiber is going to want to go inside of there, and that's going to prevent the mold from releasing. So I'm going to be replacing these with some aluminum stock metal and just drilling them out. I think that's probably what I'm going to do. And it'll be more structurally sound anyway, because it'll be metal versus plastic. Now this whole part, this is going to be super simple. I'm not worried about this side at all. That's going to be really simple. But this side, a little bit more complex, a little bit more finer details. And I want to make as close to a factory part as I can. You obviously want your mounting holes to be exactly in the same locations, and I'll be able to nail that. The only part I won't be able to get is that. So that's where we're at right now. I'm just cleaning and prepping.